Before the video gets started, I'd like to say thank you guys for all the support and feedback this year of 2020. We really appreciate having you guys around. This year we reached up to 32,000 members on our Discord server. Let's go ahead and start the video. Hello everyone, this is Corpse from Valve's Note, and today we'll be looking to using the Bedwars plugin. So let's go ahead and get started. You're going to be needing not just one plugin, but a few that I recommend. Of course, the Bedwars plugin itself, Multiverse, and the Citizen plugin. So let's go ahead and of course set the spawn right here. To do this, we're going to use /BW, as in Bedwars, main lobby, and set. Now, we can go ahead and set up an NPC that players will click on to join a game. To create an NPC, with the Citizen plugin, we can use command /NPC create, and I'm going to give this a name. I currently have a demo map set up already, and it's a 1v1. I'm going to give this a Bedwars skin. And now we need to go ahead and actually set up the game on the demo map before we can actually set up this NPC to bring players there. Here is the demo map. I've already gotten set up. Of course, we got 3 islands, 2 of them being for teams and 1 in the center. I've got 1 for Team Red and Team Blue. Let's go ahead and set up Team Red. But before we do that, we actually need to go ahead and set up this area as a Bedwars map. So the Bedwars plugin knows that this is a Bedwars game. So to do this, we're going to use /BW admin and then type in the name of the map. Then use add. Now let's go ahead and set the position of the map. Just like World Edit, we'll be selecting both corners of the map. In this case, we'll be using BW admin, demo, and then position 1. Then I'm going to go all the way to the other side of the map and set up position 2. This way, Bedwars know, how far players can go. So let's go ahead and set up position 2, which should be just like the position 1 command. And now we can go ahead and set up Team Red. First, let's actually create the team. To do this, use /BW admin, the name of the map, team, add, give it a name. In this case, I'm just going to call this one Team Red. Select a color for it and the amount of people it will have. In this case, I'm just doing a simple 1v1, so I'll just have 1 player on the team. And I'll go ahead and set up blue. Just a reminder, everything we're going to do here on the red team, we have to do the exact same thing again for the blue team. Let's go ahead and set the spawn. This is where I want the player to spawn right here. I'll just sit here, aim forward towards the bed, and set it spawn by using the command BW admin, name of the map, team, and then go ahead and use the spawn command and set it for Team Red. Let's go ahead and set up the bed. So we have to actually look at the bed where our crosshair is and use the BW admin, name of the map, team bed command, and of course also type in the team name. Now this bed has been assigned to Team Red. The last thing of course is the items like iron, gold, and bronze, and of course set up a store. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and set the items now. In this case, for this plugin, iron and bronze are one of those common ones, bronze being the more common, and then I would probably set gold in the middle of the map as that's the more rare one. So let's go ahead and set those up. We can do this by using the command /BW admin, the name of the map, spawner, add, in this case I'm going to put bronze, and then do the same thing for iron. Now we can go and set up a store. I'm going to put it right here. And we'll just use the store command. Add, in this case, a seller. Now Team Red is ready to go. Let's go and do the exact same thing for the other team. Of course, there are a couple more things that we gotta do before, of course, we save this area. We actually have to set up a lobby where players will spawn first before the game begins. And also set a spawn point for the spectator when a player dies. To go ahead and set the spectator spawn, I would usually just put it right in the middle. And of course make sure it is in the area, so don't go too high. And we'll use the command bw admin, name of the map, in this case demo, and use the spec command. Then go ahead and set a lobby. I didn't really set one up, so I'm going to just do it in the middle. And after this, go ahead and save it, and the game should be able to be joinable. Now we can go back to the lobby and set the NPC, where if players click on it, it will bring them here. Go ahead and select the NPC by using NPC select, and make sure to actually aim at the NPC with your crosshair. Then go ahead and use NPC command add -p, and go ahead and type in this command bw join and the name of the map. In this case, this one was called demo. And that is how you set up Bedwars. Now we can actually join the game and get another player on and play around.